this rod and reel with the spoon. Got me this. So I'm gonna explain to you guys what happened, how this happened, when it happened, and what comp this is. So let's start off with what comp it is. It was the croc comp, yeah, and then it was on Saturday, the 31st of May. So how the day started, the morning, it was a late start. We launched at about 8:30. We were on the water, and then we didn't have any action for about an hour or so. Didn't mark any fish, nothing. And then round about 10 o'clock or so, we saw a bunch of bonito, schools of bonito in front of the river mouth, and a bunch of them were blowing up on bait, not sure what bait, probably mackerel, and it was a silver spoon, and they did not want a thing. I chucked it into the school, didn't touch it. Then I swapped it around to this spoon. Got an instant hookup, and that is where I caught the winning fish. It was a bonito, a 1.66 kg bonito. That was the winning fish for the juniors at the comp. So I'll go with the run through on this. Don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, it's a nice pack of things. And let's take you guys over everything. And also to add on this is I lost my GoPro. Yeah, really sad. So there aren't going to be as much. Well, I didn't lose my GoPro. I lost my action cam, DJI Osmo. I lost that. It fell in the water. But yeah. So there won't be as much videos that are going to be posted. I'll try my best, but it is also exams are coming up for me for about a month, and then I'll be back in the game for, I think we have a month of a break from school, so I'll definitely try getting some filming equipment somewhere, somehow. But it is also one loss to a big win. Really sad that I didn't get that I lost all the footage of everything, but I'll pop up a photo of where I caught the button. Okay, so let me start with the smaller bits and pieces, and then we'll move up from there to the bigger prizes. So first we have some sabiki rigs. And then we have this special lure series from Lizard. It has like a shaking metal thing or silver plate something in there, so it shakes in the body, so that's really cool. And then I don't know how to pronounce it, but we got a whole bunch of these pulsatro, I think it's called, chuggers, from small to medium to the large ones. Really nice size for Dorado. And then a feather. Never used this before, so I'll maybe see if I can't make a rig out of this. Some chin weights. And then some squid skirts. Don't know. Yeah. For some daisy chains. So let me just show you all of the baits or things I can make with traces and skirts and stuff for some kuta and stuff. So this is everything. It's a lot. It is a lot. It's nice. Then let's move to the bit smaller, bigger prizes. So I got a hat. It's a really nice hat, this. And then there's the brand. Well, yeah, business. If you want to go check them out. And then we got Salt to Go. We use this on all our rods so that they don't rust and stuff. You make it up with it's like water and this solution, and then you just spray your rods, then they don't rust up. So yeah, I think you can use this on boat engines. Yeah, you can use this on a boat engine too. So if you have a boat engine, a motor, make sure to go check Salt to Go out. Really recommend them. And then we got an umbrella. Nice prize from, let's open this quickly. There you go. Go check them out too. So these are all sponsors. All the people that sponsored the croc comp and made the prizes that we have, made them possible. Then I got a Debonair's voucher. Yeah. Okay, so here we're getting into the bit more of the expensive prizes, I'll say. So let's go on to the reel. So I got a pen reel here. I already spooled it up. So this is a completely sealed reel. It's really smooth, and then if you want to just go like that, and then it's really small. So this is the 4000 Battle 3, the Pen 4000 Battle 3. So make sure to go check Pen out. We use their reels too. Here's the box. It's a spinning reel, and then here is the line capacity and gear ratio and stuff like that. So yeah, now let's move on to the prize I did not expect to win. A Garmin Strike Plus 4 Plus transducer. Yeah, really happy with that prize. make sure to go check out Garmin. They have really nice products, from watches to fish finders. Yeah, they have everything. If you're an outdoorsman or you like fishing, make sure to go check their products out. And then let's move on to the rod. So it's an 8-foot rod. Wait, let me just get onto here. You can't read that. There you go, 8-foot rod. The kuta. I can't pronounce this word, but it's a kingfisher rod. So yeah, let's take it out of the bag quickly to show you what it looks like. Here we go. Still has the tag and everything on it. Really nice. So let's move on to the kayak. Okay, sorry for the noise, guys. So let's go from the back to the front. And then they have a handle. It's a really light kayak. I can lift it up with by myself. 2 rod holders there and there. It's actually quite deep here for storage and stuff. 2 plugs. There you go there. And then here are the straps for a seat or a rod sleeve here. And then the lid. You can see here, it's massive. Back there. Okay, yeah. So, as you can see, this is big, but I don't think I'm gonna use this, the lid. But okay, yeah. Here is for your feet, bunch of different sizes for your feet, and then some more plugs. And in front they also have a storage compartment and then a front handle, and then another here. I'll show you guys what this is now. And then as you can see, I've already put some stickers on. There's my channel, here's the kayak's name, and then yeah, DJI, I would appreciate you if you can help a small creator, and yeah, I'll appreciate it because I don't really have a camera at the moment. But yeah, and here, there you go. Here is what the sorry for the Garmin and stuff. Here is what the paddle, well, what this screw and this band is for. So it just keeps your paddle in place, and then it has like a groove for your paddle to fit into. So it's like made for, specifically made for the paddle. Thank you for watching till the end, and I hope you enjoyed the video. This is a bit late. I had exams. I have my last exam in 2 days, so the videos will start coming soon. And yeah, lost my GoPro, so not as many, well, not as good quality videos. And I just want to say thank you for Brett for organizing the croc comp. Make sure to go follow them on Facebook. I'll pop their Facebook account up, and then yeah, Guys, thank you for watching till the end, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Play the outro.